My name is B. Dorababu. My roll number is 244G180587. My branch is CSC B section, first BTech, and the subject is BCME, Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering. Subject code is 23 Civil 101. And my topic is conversion of whole circle bearings and reduced bearings. Now we are discussing about the converting whole circle bearing of lines to quadrantal bearings. The question is converts whole circle bearing of lines to quadrantal bearings. A. OA 32 degrees, B. OB 109 degrees, C. OC 211 degrees, D. 303 degrees. And we are going to the how to solve the problem. Introduction to bearings. Bearings are used in surveying and navigation to describe the direction of a line. These are two common types of bearings. Whole circle bearings are quadrantal bearings. Whole circle bearings range from 0 to 360 degrees, while quadrantal bearings are expressed in terms of north or south and east or west as shown in the figures. What are quadrantal bearings? The quadrantal bearings are measured from north or south towards the east or west. They help simplify the understanding of direction by breaking it into four quadrants. The four quadrants are defined as northeast 0 to 90 degrees, southeast 90 to 180 degrees, southwest 180 to 270 degrees, and northwest 270 to 360 degrees as shown in the figure. Converting OA 32 degrees to quadrantal bearing. OA is located in northeast quadrant of the compass. The quadrantal bearing for OA 32 degrees is expressed as north 32 degrees east. This indicates the angle is measured 32 degrees eastwards from north as shown in the figure. Converting OB 109 degrees to quadrantal bearing. OB 109 degrees fall within the southeast quadrant of the compass. The quadrantal bearing for OB 109 degrees is expressed as south 19 degrees east. This means that the angle is measured 19 degrees eastwards from the south as shown in the figure. Converting OC 211 degrees and OD 303 degrees to quadrantal bearings. OC 211 degrees is located in the southwest quadrant with a quadrantal bearing of south 31 degrees west. OD 303 is the northwest quadrant expressed as north 57 degrees west. Both conversion follows the same principle of measuring from the nearest cardinal direction as shown in the figure. Now we have to go into the another topic, converting reduced bearing to whole circle bearings. My question is convert the reduced bearings to whole circle bearings. First one north 52 degrees 30 minutes east, and second one is south 30 degrees 50 minutes east, and third one is south 85 degrees 45 minutes west and north, and fourth one is north 50 degrees and 10 minutes west. Introduction to bearings. Bearings are essential in surveying and navigation, helping determine positions. There are two main types of bearings: reduced bearings and whole circle bearings. This presentation will focus on covering reduced bearings into whole circle bearings. So understanding reduced bearings. Reduced bearings are expressed in terms of angles measured from the north or south towards the east or west. They help simplify navigation by providing a clear reference point for directions. Knowing how to convert them into whole circle bearings is crucial for accurate mapping. Conversion methodology. To convert from reduced bearing to whole circle bearings, we must understand the quadrant in which the bearing lies. The conversion depends on whether the bearing is measured from north or south and whether towards the east or west. The general formula involving adding or subtracting the angle based on quadrant, and these are shown in the difference and determination as shown in the figure. Example conversion: for north 52 degrees 30 minutes east, the whole circle bearing is 52 degrees 30 minutes. For south 30 degrees 50 minutes east, the whole circle bearing is 108 degrees minus 30 degrees and 50 minutes and equal to 149 degrees 45 minutes. For south 85 degrees 45 minutes west, the whole circle bearing is 108 degrees plus 85 degrees 45 minutes equal to 265 degrees 45 minutes. Summary and conclusion. Reduced bearing can be easily converted to whole circle bearing with a clear understanding of the quadrant. The conversion process is essential for accurate navigation and surveying practices. Know how to perform these conversions and just one's skills in geographical orientation and mapping. Thank you for this opportunity.